Good morning, traders. This is McBillion. Today is June 2nd, 2015, and let's talk about the market. Let's start with the spider. The spider right here is moving inside this ascending triangle wedge. It's getting close to the apex. Usually when the price gets close to the apex around this area, is when you're going to see a breakout or a breakdown. Now, if you understand DMI, you can clearly see that this is bearish and it's getting strong. You can tell the ADX is trending up and the minus directional is trending down. So the probabilities of the price breaking down is higher than the price going to the top. I would say 25%, 70% that this is going down, and that's why I'm short on the spider with July puts. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about Sandisk. This is another one that I entered today on puts because it failed the 50 simple moving average, and I think it will break down this little support at 65. Now DMI looks bullish here, but you need always to remember that price is king. We have a resistance right here, and that will be my stop. If we break out right here, I will have to take a loss in on my stop. But based on price trending inside this downtrend channel, I think it's gonna break down to 60 and probably test 49. That's my target, and it's based on price. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about IWN. This is the iShares Russells. Very tight triangle wedge right here, accumulation. So the probabilities that it's gonna break down is higher that it's gonna break out. 70 to 70%, 30%. I'm short on the iShares Russells. I think it's gonna break down. It's just holding right here inside this little triangle wedge, but I think it's gonna break down. This looks bearish based on DMI and price making lower highs. So I don't think this is gonna break out. If you break out, there's not much room to go up. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about the iShares Transportation. Totally bearish. Totally bearish. Today it went up. I'm sure in this one it went up today. It tested 5 simple moving average. It fell a little bit, but DMI is still bearish and strong. So I'm thinking that it's gonna test 147 soon. We just need to be patient, and there's another probability that it can go and test this breakout area and fail. That's another probability that we have to keep in mind, that it might run up a little bit and then fail at the 20 simple moving average or the 50. But based on DMI being bearish and getting strong and strong, I think it's gonna go to 147, and my target 142 is bearish. Now let's talk about workday. Many of you like to trade this one. It's a very hard stock to trade because when it goes up, you have to be careful and take profits really fast, because it takes up 1 or 3 days and it goes down very fast. Right here is bearish, and I think has a lot of room to go down based on minus directional has room right here to go to the bottom. So if it goes to 73, I think it can bounce from there, but it looks bearish at this point. And if you are getting long in this one, I would prefer to buy it at 73. So let's see what happens. 73 is the target to get long, but you can also get short right here for a short-term trade. Now let's talk about DIA. This is another one that is bearish and is getting strong. Put it on your watch list. I wanted to enter this one today, but I prefer to wait until it breaks down this support right here, because we can easily bounce again from here and probably test the 184 area. But if we break down, this is gonna go down fast. ADX is trending very strong, and just in a couple days has trending from 8 to 14. So that's a very strong ADX. That means there's a lot of money, a lot of volume going out of the stock. There's a lot of big money selling the stock. That's what you need to know when you trade in the DMI, and what it means when ADX is trending, and what it means when the minus directional is the lead. So this is everything for today. Right on.